Yo, hello everybody. How you guys doing? Yeah. Thank you very much for each and every one of you that are joining us right now. So yeah, this is going to be a live forex analysis. So for 10th of October, 10th of January 2021, right? So this will be our first, our second, I think. Yeah, our second live stream of the year 2021. So this is gonna be our forex analysis for this week so far. So right now we're about to start the analysis. So let me just send the links and everything like that to our free Telegram channel and also a VIP and premium channel, right? So that they will not be left behind. And like we always do, if you do have any pair that you want me to analyze, you can just tell me in the live chat section. I'll check it out for you, right? So there we go right now. So I'm about to start the analysis. This is just EURUSD, and maybe we'll start from any specific pair at all in the market. So yeah, thank you guys for joining. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family. Maybe they might find the information that I'm about to share with you helpful as well, right? So yeah, right now we are looking at the AUDCAD for our time frame, and of course I will just do like 1 hour doing this live analysis and things like that right here. Then we cannot call it a day, right? So like I said earlier on, you just tell me if is there any other specific pair that you want me to analyze for you. Yeah. And somebody is saying, hi bro, how are you? Hope you good. Yeah, I'm good. Hope you good as well. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your presence right here. So yeah, somebody is saying, can you please analyze Euro NZD? All right, Euro NZD. I'll check it out. This is what am I doing? Let me check out Euro NZD because that's the first pair that we have right now. Euro NZD. That's gonna be Forex. Oh, I put double R instead of single. All right. So this is Euro NZD right now. So I still have my analysis, and right now what I'm seeing is the market is moving to the downside, and this is still pushing to the downside, man. So yeah, I will check it out for you. Yeah, like I said earlier on, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It does help the channel a lot, guys. That's how you show me that, hey Israel, we really appreciate what you are doing right here on YouTube, right? That's how you can motivate me to do more of what I'm doing right now. So yeah, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. So thank you as you do so, guys. So yeah, right now somebody say we should check out the Euro NZD, right? This is Euro NZD daily time frame, and there's nothing much interesting on the daily time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame right now, and you already know that how I do my analysis is I first of all put my support and resistance on the either daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame, right? And in this case, we're gonna be putting it on the 4-hour time frame. So let me just minimize it, like shift this, yeah. So right now I'm just putting my support and resistance on this 4-hour time frame. So you guys are seeing that I'm putting support and resistance right now. Don't panic. So these are my support and resistance on this time frame, being 4-hour time frame, right? You guys see it. So if I zoom out like that, yeah, if I zoom in again, I'll be seeing all of the structures where I put my support and resistance, right? So we can put another one right here again. So definitely, what are you guys seeing? I'm seeing that this market is selling long term and it will keep on selling because right now it's selling, and I'll expect it to continue to sell to the downside. You see my trend line, because this is how the downtrending market moves, guys. It moves lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So right now the market came up for lower high. So definitely the next move that is going to happen is the market might still come up to this point before it will start to move again to the downside like that. And our target is going to be right here. That's where the target is going to be, based on the fact that you see what happened right here on during this day. Let me just put it out, guys, so that you can just understand what I'm talking about, right? So this move happened 23 of December 2019, so literally about 1 year ago now. So that was 2019 move, and that will be our final target, right? Let me just do like this so that you can just understand that this will be my final target. So you see that this line will be the final target, and from where the market is right now, this is around 263 pips. So this is 263 pips move, and that's where I'm seeing Euro NZD to move back down again. So if you wait, if this structure get broken, definitely it's going to continue to move to the downside again. But if this level is not yet broken, you just wait for it to come up for retracement. Like it might just move back up like this before it will sell to the downside. And once you see this structure get broken, definitely what is going to happen next is the market will just continue to push again to the downside to this point for about 263 pips, right? So that's what I'm saying on Euro NZD right now. It is a long-term sell. It's still selling right now, so I'm expecting it to move for about 263 pips when the market opens. So that's what I'm saying on Euro NZD, guys. If you have any question right now, just let me know, because that's why we are trying to do this live stream today, so that you can just find some valuable information, right, on what I'm teaching you or showing you right here on YouTube, right? So of course, if the market is not able to break out of this zone, wait for it to come up for retracement to this point, and look out for maybe candlestick patterns or price action signals that will tell you to go down to sell the market, right? Because I just showed my students what are the 4 to 5 signal confluences that I look out for. I just show it to them today. So yeah, I personally look out for 4 to 5 signal confluences before I even get into the market. So yeah, you look out for some of these signal confluences as well in order for you to sell or buy in the forex market. So yeah, look out for them before you start to sell this market, guys. That's what I'm seeing on Euro NZD. If there's any other question, just let me know right now before I what do you call it, before I continue to check out all of these things that you guys are kind of giving me right now. So somebody saying good gold setup last week. Oh wow, yeah, I saw gold moved according to how I analyzed last week, right? If you guys go back to our last week analysis, you will find out that what I said about gold and perfectly happened before this sell. I think the market was right here, boom, moved to the upside before the gold came down for this retracement. And of course, gold right now is just on some sort of retracement or whatever. I think this is not going to be a trend reversal, but according to what I'm seeing right now, if you plot something like this on this gold, which is XAUUSD, if you do something like this, yeah, if you do something like this, you see that the market broke out of this trend line, right? It broke out of the trend line, and the next thing that might happen right now is a retest of this before it continues to move to the downside. And of course, that one is not going to be a long-term sell. I think market makers are trying to just capture all these retail traders and make them to lose money, right? but we'll try to see what is going to happen on this XAUUSD. And of course, I'm not ready to trade this particular pair as of now. So right now, I'm kind of focusing on currency pairs at the moment. Even V75, I'm not that kind of actively trading it at the moment. So anytime that I'm able to come back and start trading all of these indexes and indices, I will trade it and let you guys know how to trade it and things like that, right? But and of course, I'm still doing the analysis and things like that for you guys. So yeah, let me go down um to your next question right now, and the next question is okay, somebody is saying played out perfectly. Okay, somebody saying thank you. All right, you're welcome. Somebody saying blessed up. Yeah, thank you very much, bro. I really appreciate your presence right here. And somebody saying we'll be looking at this pair this week. All right. Can you give us your opinion on volatility 75, please? All right. Let's check out volatility 75, guys, which is V75, and this is volatility 75. You guys know that volatility 75 long term is a buy, and it has been buying for so long right now. So what I'm seeing on this volatility 75 is it will continue to move to the upside, because that's a long-term buy, not a sell. So right now, volatility 75 for our time frame is going to buy, guys. So this is it. You guys see that I broke out of this structure. So right now, volatility 75 trying to come back down for retracement, and wait for it to finish this retracement before you can start to buy it, guys. So right now, volatility 75 might come down all the way to this point before it will start to buy again. So yeah, wait for volatility 75 to come down to around price 663,808.8244. That's the price that I'm seeing. Volatility 75 will come down for retracement before it will start to buy again to the upside. That's just my opinion on volatility 75. So yeah, the next thing is somebody is saying, do you recommend using cutter points on commodity pairs like gold? Not really, not really, not really. That's my answer, not really. So yeah, and so let's just do random analysis, since it's as if you guys don't have any pair that you want to trade for the week, right? All right, so first of all, let's try to check GBPUSD, right? You guys know that GBPUSD is one of the pair that I kind of trade a lot. So let's try to check GBPUSD. We'll remove all of that, and this is GBPUSD daily time frame right now, and you guys see that GBPUSD has been moving to the upside without stoppage, right? Like GBPUSD has not stopped to move to the upside, and right now, if you plot your trend line on this daily time frame, you're gonna get something like this. Gonna get something like this to the upside. You see that? This is an indication for you to know, oh, this is a long-term buy, right? This is a long-term buy on this. And if you go down to 4-hour time frame, you now have something like this. And remember, this trend line we plotted on the excuse me, on the 4-hour time frame. I mean, on the daily time frame, right? So you are supposed to monitor the move that is happening on this GBPUSD, right? So right now, the next thing that we can do, or we are supposed to do, is we are supposed to plot out our support and resistance in order for us to know what exactly is going to happen on this as well, right? And let's just complete the analysis for this GBPUSD first before we go and touch some pairs again. So yeah, this is the GBPUSD right now for our time frame. So let me put my support and resistance so that you can understand exactly what I'm saying on these pairs for. So these are some of my support and resistance on this GBP USD, right? And of course, it's not going to be perfect based on the fact that the move did not perfectly happen. So it is what it is. So these are the support and resistance on this GBP USD right now. So GBP USD might try to just play around this zone before it will eventually continue to move for a buy, right? But most importantly, wait for it to break out of this structure. What I'm gonna do here is I'll pull out my price range, excuse me, and put it right here and wait for breakout of this structure. Yeah, so wait for breakout to happen right here, guys. That's what you are supposed to wait. Wait for breakout to happen. If it breaks to the downside, the market will come down to this point before it will buy again. If it breaks out to the upside, and it will continue to buy since the market is long-term buy to the upside, right? So this is what I'm seeing on GBP USD, and I'm waiting for it to happen before I hop into the market as well. So yeah, of course you can do the same, but yeah, you can do the same. No, there's nothing much going on GBPUSD right now. So wait for confirmation. You have to be patient, guys. Don't let FOMO to make you to get into the market without confirmations, right? Make sure you look out for 4 to 5 signal confluences before you you start trading any particular pair at all in the forex market. So yeah, somebody is saying what you think about BTC USD, right? So I will check it out. BTC USD, BTC USD. That's gonna be crypto, and this is BTC USD right now. Um, and this is 4 hour time frame. Yeah, BTC USD is gonna once BTC USD starts selling, guys. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be crazy. Like it's gonna fall without stoppage. So right now, come on, man. I even seen on BTC USD. Yeah, this is the daily time frame. BTC USD has been moving to the upside like crazy, guys. So what might happen on BTC USD right now is it might come down to this point. You see this level right here. It might come down to around price $23. 23,000, not even $23. $23,000 for now. It might drop to that point before it will start to move again to the upside, or it will come down to 19,000. To come down to 19,000, but I see BTC USD to start to fall anytime soon right now. So you see that to fall to this point or this point, because right now this might serve as a evening star formation on this daily time frame. Once this daily time frame get closed, I mean a daily time frame or candle get closed right now. So this is gonna be like morning star, not like morning star. It's gonna be morning star formation. If you see that, so the market will push down to the downside. So if you have any if you bought BTC USD and try to wait for it to continue to move to the upside, I don't think BTC USD is going to continue to move to the upside, guys. So wait for it to come back down to this point before you start to buy it. And of course I'm not interested in buying BTC USD as of now. Maybe around when it comes down to either the 4,000 or around all this even if it is 12,000, I'm not interested in buying it. Maybe 10,000, but I'll be interested in buying BTC and hold it maybe when it comes to either the 4,000 or 6,000, anything between this range. I'll now buy it. And of course I'm seeing BTC USD, it will start to fall anytime soon to this point, right? And of course you can still draw your trend line on this BTC USD, though it's not going to be perfect. Yeah, this is how it's going to look like. And once this level get broken, definitely it's going to continue to push back to the downside. Maybe we might see another retracement to retest to this level. Then we'll have what we call a head and shoulders, right? And once we have that head and shoulders formation, the next thing that's going to happen is the Bitcoin is going to continue to push back down to the downside, because it has bought for what we call an overbought, right? Or you can wait for it to break out of this zone. Once you break out of this zone, to start to sell again. So this is what is going to happen on BTC USD, guys. So it might reach this point before to go back up again, or it will break out of this, come down to this level. Let me mark it out for you so you can understand what is gonna happen on this Bitcoin, right? So it will come down to this level like this before it will come up again for retracements like this. Then boom, it will fall without mercy to the downside. But wait for it to break around price 35,000. Wait for it to break around price 35,000. Once it breaks that and continue to move to around price 28,000, then it will come up to for retracement again to retest that 35,000 before it will eventually push back down to the downside. But most importantly, wait for it to break out of the 35,000 and retest again the 35,000 before it will push further to the downside. That's what I'm saying on BTC USD, guys. So let me know what you think about it, or if you have any question regarding the analysis that I've done on this Bitcoin. So let me know, guys, before I go further to check out for some pairs in the market. So yeah, let me know if there's any other question, guys, and make sure if today is your first time right here, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to our free Telegram channel, free Instagram. Everything is literally free. So all you have to do is just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And when I say subscribe, no need for you to pay anything. It is just free. So it is all up to you. I don't know why YouTube just says subscribe button. It would have been much easier for you to for them to put maybe follow. Yeah, it will have been follow, not subscribe. Because at times when you say subscribe, some people might be thinking that, oh, I have to pay money in order for me to subscribe to his channel and things like that, right? Of course, that's not true, guys. That's not true. You don't have to pay anything for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is 100% free. All you have to do is click that red button that you are seeing, right? So that's how it is, guys. Let's go ahead with our analysis. So yeah, what do you think about BTCUSD? I think I've answered that. Thank you, bro. Yup. Play. All right, that's cool, man. That's cool, bro. Thank you very much. And somebody saying, which is DJ Isao. Hi, man. All right, bro. How are you doing? I see you clean the market as always. Thank you very much for your presence right here, man. And Dream Chaser saying thanks, bro. All right, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, everybody. So yeah, that's just my opinion on Bitcoin. So let's go back down to GBPJPY now. That's the next pair that we are supposed to analyze for the week. So yeah, I'm still holding my buy on this GBPJPY right now. You guys remember that I sent a buy signal for my students last week, where we were able to take around I think around 100 something pips, something like that. But right now, it's trying to come back down for retracement again to retest this level before it will start to move back up to the upside. So I'll try and see what exactly is going to happen on this GBPJPY when the market opens in about 2 hours from now. So the market will open in about 2 hours. So we're trying to see what is going to happen on GBPJPY as well. But I'm still in my buy on it. So that's how it is, guys. and I'm just waiting for all of this moves to happen for me to take advantage of it. But of course, I'm still, holding my buy. Yeah, I sent this buy signal to you guys last week, right? And of course, I think I posted it on my trading view account. Let me go to my profile so that I can just show you guys in order for you to verify that I do this and I don't just play around it, right? So yeah, this is it. I think I posted it. So this is it right now. And if you play it, see what happens. Boom. You see that? Moved to the upside. So that's it, man. That's it. And Euro USD, I think Euro USD hit our stop loss last week and things like that. You see, I was expecting the market to continue to move to the upside. This was like fantastic setup, but the market makers just cut my neck, man. So that's it. That's what happened. And right now, still trying to push to the downside, but it's not gonna go down, man. It's not gonna go down anytime soon. We might see this market pushing back to the upside. So what I'm just kind of skeptical about right now is if the market opens with some gaps, so it might affect my trade right now because I'm still holding my buy on Euro USD as well. So we're trying to check all of these stuff, right? And of course, I must wait for the market to open, despite the fact that I'm kind of stressed out today. So I'll wait for the market to open before I maybe take a rest and things like that, guys. And somebody is saying, thanks for your analysis. Could you analyze Beam, which is Boom 1000? Nah, I don't even trade this Boom 1000, man. But of course, I can't analyze it on my trading view right now. So, and I did not log into my Drive account at the moment on my desktop, so I can't analyze that, man. Please analyze volatility index 75, 1 second. I can't analyze that as well because I did not log into my um, Drive account, so I can analyze all of that. So somebody saying put a link to your trading view to make it easy for us to follow you. All right, let me put it so that I can just so that you guys can just follow me on that, right? And of course you can see Bitcoin is just trying to come back down and break out of this 35,000. So let's see what is going to happen on Bitcoin. So I'm just using free version of this trading view at the moment, right, on this account. So um okay, all right, let me just give you guys a link to my profile, right, so that you can follow me on trading view according to what you said. So let me copy it, copy, let me send it via chat. Boom, there you go. So that's it. You can now follow me on trading view, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and also um what is it call it, and also Twitter, all of my social media platform, guys. Just trying to do that. And also, I'm just analyzing all of this because the market is about to open. So just trying to pay much attention so that you can just follow what I'm doing right here, right? And of course, if you have any question, you can just ask me, hey Israel, what exactly you mean by this? What exactly you mean by that? So that I can just answer your question because that's the reason why you are here on this live session so that you can just understand and ask me questions, right? Because it is very, very important for you to ask me questions so you understand what we mean by all of these things in the market, guys. So yeah, right now, let me go down to another pair being maybe 80 card or silver. So this is 80 card right now for our time frame. Let me go down to daily time frame so that you can just understand exactly my view on this, right? So this is 80 card, and I'm seeing this market is going to come down to retest this on the daily time frame, right? This art is kind of distracting me, man. Well, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm saying that it should come down to retest this. You see this structure? To come down and retest that, no matter how it is, man. So yeah, nah, I'm changing the color to green. Miss green. Okay, okay. Actually, I'm changing the color of something different. I'm supposed to change that color, yeah. So if you go down to 4 hour time frame, so you see that. What are you going to be expecting on 4 hour time frame? You're gonna see that. Let's just go down to 1 hour time frame so that you can understand exactly what I'm going to be showing you. Just keep in mind that this trend line we just plotted on not trend line, this um support level, right? I mean resistance on the daily time frame. So right now what I'm seeing on AUDCAD is this is how our trend line is gonna look like. So that's how the trend line, you guys are seeing it, right? This is the trend line right now on the 1 hour time frame. So if this trend line did not get broken, don't even sell this market. I'm not even saying that you should sell the market. So once this trend line get broken and retest, this is what is gonna happen, guys. Let me just show you what is gonna happen on this. And of course, I'm not just putting support and resistance trend line and things like that in order for me to just get into the market. Nah, I'm not trying to do that. What I'm doing is after I plot my support and resistance, there are 4 things or 5 that I usually look out for rates in order for me to just get in for the buy or sell in the market. Those are the things that I refer as my signal confluences. So I look out for it, 4 to 5 of it, in order for me to just consider if the market is going to buy or if the market is going to sell, right? So right now, the next thing that I'm supposed to do right here is I'll identify this zone as one of my um, support level, right? So identify this zone as one of my support level. And of course, this is 1 hour time frame, and this is the color that I'm going to be putting on the 1 hour time frame, right? So right now, 2 things can happen right